Here I have HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So for this you have to open settings, then go to the mobile network section and then to the personal hotspot. Here you can switch your hotspot, here you can change its name, here you can change its password, here you can also view the connected devices. There's also a block list. You can add devices to a block list. By going to more, you can also set a data limit for your hotspot. You can change your AP band, or you can't. And you can also set a time for hotspot to turn off, after how many minutes of an activity it will be turned off automatically. And there's also an option Bluetooth tethering to connect to share the internet through the Bluetooth. And you can also switch a hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.